explanation of yours, it is the impression of this committee that you admit that you really did a digging below the JMC.
Yes, sir. It's part of our
compound.
presentation later on, sir. Andiyan sa presentation ko, sir.
Kaya nga, in-admit mo.
Yes, sir. Ilabas nila yung nagbigay ng photo at ipakita niya rin ang, alam niya ang batas paano dyan. Ilabas niya yung taong nagbigay at bigyan niya rin ng sworn statement. Kasi kaya kong gawin yan sa loob ng Photoshop. Hindi ko sinasabi ang kung ano man yan regarding sa diggings na yan dahil yan ay nilabas ni Atty. Torion. Let him prove it.
Sabihin niyo. Dama. Sige, ako sa doon. Ay, dito.
Kala ko hindi mo i-admit. I am ready to cite you in contempt kung hindi
Yes,
mo i-admit. Ako mismo, you have no way to lie before me because ako mismo, pinuntahan ko kanina sa inspection kanina.
Tabi. Hey! Hoy, tabi kayo! Ay, nag-shoot ako dito. Ano ba?
Ito po yung totoong butas. Doon lang sila nagmasa sa kabila. Ito po, fresh na fresh pa ang lupa.
Bago po. Mababakos pa ito. Mababakos pa. From that area, ito yung buong compound ng basement ng KOJC. Ayan. So yun yung gate pa. So may dito may isang door pa pala. Okay. O ano yun? So ito. Ito yung buong. So may kuryente dito sa ilalim. Ito yung basement ng JMC.
Guys, mo ni siya ang basement sa GMC, sa KOJC compound nga gikubkuban sa mga police guys. O karon guys, gibisita sa mga bisita nila tungod kay namay Senate hearing guys. So, bisita ang ban na senador o si Bato de la Rosa guys. O ilang susunod ko kung nabagoy pinagod ka ang pagkalot ka o muna siya guys na pagkabot nila dito tabunan na isilin ko na itong likod-kuban sa mga business o dari atong nasaksihan na bago pag yung tapon bago pag yung silin pa guys basa pa rin ang good ang silin ko wala pa doon siya nagahit dinalian din siya guys na tapon kay dilaw pa ang sinutuwa na parang ay masinas. So, ganun siya, no?
Tinukay namin doon. Very fresh pa yung simento na ginawa at nung natanggal yung simento, yung mga kabilya na nilagay doon, hindi kabilya na construction na related kabilya, kundi kung saan-saan lang napulot na kabilya yon. And yung lupa is very loose. But then, that's immaterial anymore to discuss about that because you admit that you did the digging below that the basement of GMC
Yes, sir.
building.
Yes, sir. I have
Okay.
I have lots of bosses who are class 87 and
Okay.
they can testify on the kind of destruction fist of Cadet First Class Bato de la Rosa, sir, can come to them if they violate the rules, sir. So I really will not dare to do that and lie to you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Bishop,
sir.
yes, Bishop, because, it pains me to cite you in contempt if I need to do that because you are the regional director of this particular police regional office of this region. And that would be a slap on the PNP kapag ang kanilang boss ay na-cite in contempt ng isang committee hearing because of lying and false testifying falsely before the committee.
Yes, sir.
I hate to do that.
Yes, sir.
Please make sure that you don't lie to this
It
committee.
will be part of the presentation, sir. And even the future diggings is included there, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Meron pa yung future digging?
Mr. Chair.
It's included in the presentation, sir.
Mr.
I'll
Chair.
show you, sir.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Sandali ha. Unahin ko muna si Jason Sa na una nag-kwan.
salamat po.
Yeah.
I just want to know from the chair whether the digging was in accordance with the law. I'd like to ask, therefore, the chair to ask the PNP whether they secured a digging permit because the structural integrity of the building, which carried preschool, kindergarten, elementary students, high school students, college students, postgraduate, nanganganib po ang buhay nila. Doon sa integrity ng gusali, kung ito ay magkakaroon ng konting pag-inog ng mundo. Ug sabi ni siya pa, ug mulinog taon, at sa mampunito ng mga batang gagmay, ngawa magyud sila ibang kaagan, anang maong pangitabo. Where did they secure a permit from the building official of the city, Mr. Chair?
General Torre,
Sir,
the question is, did you secure digging permit from the building officials of the city of Davao or any permit from DNR for that matter? Before
No,
you
sir.
do that?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Mr.
Thank you
Chair.
for that answer.
Mr. Chair, may I have?
So, it's noted by this committee that he did not secure any permit
Mr.
from
Chair.
any pertinent and competent government agency that is regulating the digging operations.
Mr. Chair.
Go ahead, Attorney Fuentes.
Thank you, sir. Sir, considering that he hired civilians, may we know the names of the civilians that he hired for the digging, sir?
So, you should understand that their property was negatively impacted by the digging operations. That's why they are looking for the names of those people responsible in the digging. So, since ikaw ang nag-recruit noon, please give us the names. Submit to this committee.
Mr. Chair.
Okay?
Yes, Mr. Chair. We will.
Ilan yon? Ilan yon?
I have lost track, maybe around 7 or 6.
7.
Mr. Chair. But we will provide it to you and just consult my.
Please, before this hearing ends, please submit to this
But
committee.
I would like to state for the record, Your Honor, that everything that they did is under my responsibility. I take full
That's
responsibility
good.
for their actions.
You are the commander. You should assume all responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Mr. Chair.
Assume all the responsibility. You are the commander.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Building official of Davao City.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Kas tung yani.
Again.
Right.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. May I ask General Torre if during the time of excavation and all of the construction activities done in the basement, was there a professional engineer architect supervising over the work being done?
Thank you. You heard the question. Please answer.
Yes, sir. We have structural engineers and
Sino? A regional
PNP
engineering
Yes, sir.
service mo?
we have one civil, one architect, and one structural engineer, sir. I